All right, welcome to another live Thursday Zooming with MuMu. It's lit. First up, what we got?
Eagles gonna lose tonight.
Oh, look at the hater is in the building. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, cool. The Eagles is gonna win tonight. They lost on Sunday. That's enough now. I don't know what them Cowboys talking about. Who are they? They records.
Nah,
RGTI.
What'd you say
we ain't
now?
that bad.
You're horrible. You're horrible. Worse than us. I say that. Well, look at them stats. Anywho, nigga just.
I know y'all better beat them Giants tonight.
Yeah, you know, I'm be front and center. That's why we're trying to get this over with. So who up? What y'all want me to look?
HWM.
HWM. All right. HWM. All right, hold on a second. I'm just letting everybody in. Okay. HWM. How Met Aerospace. Okay, I've never heard of them. Okay. Are you in this play? And what's your name? I
Nope.
like to ask people by their name.
Nope. It's
What's your name?
Jerome. It's
Jerome?
Jerome. Yep.
I say Jerome's in the house. Okay. Every time I hear Jerome, I gotta say it. Okay. So you're not in it, but this is something that you were looking at? Getting
Yeah,
in?
I'm just watching it.
Okay.
Just so-
All right. Because you know, when folks tell me they in something, I gotta ask the rationale and make sure, everybody's on the same page here. Hold on, I'm gonna turn my music down a little bit. I wouldn't like it. Like little music, little elevated music in the background. Okay. So let's look at this, right? So these are my little EMAs. By one, because Jess on the call. What up, Jess? Jess put me onto the EMA. She the Nas queen. So Jess, they put the EMAs on there. I'm gonna put the EMAs on there. So we got the 20, 50, and the 200. And the 800 done is way down there on HWM, the aerospace. So market structure. I'm gonna let y'all tell me. What do y'all see market structure wise before I draw up our friend? Anybody want to chime in? This is a learning experience.
Higher lows.
High or low. That's right. Okay, and what else do we see? Like,
Yeah.
come on, class.
So solid up top.
So the market is trending up.
It is.
It's above that 20.
Yes.
It's going up, and I see the high.
Come on. Okay, we got a high, low, and a high. We missing one thing. We got B and C. What we missing?
The higher high.
What comes before B and C?
A.
The
Yes.
high,
Oh.
A.
The lower low.
the higher low.
The higher low.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got the higher lows.
We need the lower low to mark.
Okay.
Well, to
Well, we
mark.
got the low. I thought it was
Yeah,
the
down
low.
there. Yep, down there.
They
Yeah.
got the lower
That's
low.
That's where you see
low.
them going. You
Okay,
see them
wait a
going
minute.
down there.
One at a time. Yep, but you're right. Not a lower low. It just say low. It didn't give us a low. Lower low is the bottom of a downtrend. Well, that's
Right.
let's go back. But yeah, okay. So we're gonna draw him up, right? Bam, bam, and bam. Here we go. Now, what do we see here? Okay. The folks is chiming in. I love it. I love it. Come on in, people. We 32 deep, y'all. Oh, shoot. Okay. So
Validation.
for our new people, I'm gonna draw this up. And for because I'm gonna put it in the chat too. Wait, I gotta let the people in. Ooh. Wait a minute. Why my thing ain't working? What's going on here, thing? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, I was about to say. I thought my joint was broken. Boom and boom. Okay, so how much is this? This is at 188. So, actually, all right. So For all of our new people, we have A is the low. We got B, the high, C, high, low, D1, D2. So this actually looks like it's ready. Now, tomorrow, because so it's like the higher low is like right at this 25 right here. Boom. But you see, like it went up and then like pulling back a little bit. If that candle closed above this 25, 191.22 tomorrow, that's ready to enter. Point blank, period. So I would definitely be hawking this one, my man, with the aerospace.
Why did you put that there again?
It's on top because that's where the higher low candle is, the market structure. So how the Fibonacci works is, if you're unfamiliar with that, well, at least for me anyway, because like we said, A, B, and C, when it's a bullish candle, see, these are bearish candles right here. You want a bullish candle. Well, my candles are blue. Whatever color your candles are, just a bullish candle to close above this line. Like if this was bullish, I'd be like, all right, hop in tomorrow. But you want to wait until a bullish candle because it could pull back down lower and then a higher low jump down here somewhere. You don't want to play yourself like that. You want to wait. Patience pays you in this game. And you want high probability setup. So what makes the fib a high probability setup is if you wait for a bullish candle higher than a higher low, and then your stop loss. If you want a tight stop, it could be at 186.78, which is like right under the higher low. Or if you want a wide stop, you can go like any of the fib levels, but 180.56 if you want it a little wider. But it's ready once a bullish candle closes above 191.22. So if you want, you could put like a little horizontal line at 191.22 on your chart. You like go to the or 20, wherever it's at, close enough, go to coordinates, put a line, go to coordinates, right? And then right click on it, and then click add alert. So it'll alert you when it does and set your alert up, and then it'll alert you once the candle close above it. And that way you ain't gotta hawk it and stalk it. Set it and forget it and let it go. Does that make sense?
Got you.
Hey,
Word.
Mo, any reason we didn't look at the 4 hour or the 1 hour on this?
Oh, I just saw the market structure. No reason.
Okay.
Y'all, now that you said that, okay, it's at a higher low. Clearly it's in the uptrend as well on the 4 hour. It's pulling back, same, okay. And then 1 hour, same, doing the same thing the 4 hour doing. Well, hold on, I do want to put on that DIY. Hold on. Now that you said it, ooh, hold on. Wait for it to pop up. Okay, so the supply is way up here, and the demand is right here. So look at the 1 hour. So this is a higher low on the 4 hour in the daily. On the 1 hour, it's a low, which means it could pull back to this demand zone right here. Let me erase that there. I don't want to confuse anyone. It could, right? It could. So that's why I said wait. So now this is the line that I drew up on the daily. So you definitely want to wait until it come back above here, and then it will be ready. Because right now it gave resistance at the supply level, which means it's going to pull back, and it could pull back as low as here, which is the low of day, which is at 186.64. So if it does pull back here at the lower day and bounce off here like it did with this lower low, like you see how the lower low respected this demand zone and didn't go through it. It just like almost tapped it, and it wants to go back up, because you also got to look at where the 800 EMA is, because this is the reversal point. So it's under the 200 now, which is definitely pulling back, and you got to wait to see if it's going to respect this demand level right here, because it looked like it's on its way down there. Don't it? Or am I
Yeah.
tripping?
Yes.
Nah, you good.
I'm just saying, but yeah. But on a daily, yeah, that thing is looking like something. So it's no supply on the daily. That's interesting. Okay. But what I am gonna do, is I'm gonna publish this and put it into the chat so y'all can have it and look at it. The linky. I'm gonna take the DIY.
Where do you find them in? I can't
What's
find them.
that?
How
Find
do you
what?
find what you post in you find these in TradingView?
What's that? What do you ask me?
What you post in your charts?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
You just publish it. Over here, see? Publish. It's called HWM Daily Fibbo. That's what it's called. Well, that's what I'm gonna name it. So y'all can have the link. That way, when you click on it, you're gonna see what we all see. It's gonna look like that. Bam! And just remember why that yellow line is there. You want a bullish candle to close above it. Point blank, period. So I'm gonna put this in the chat. The chiggity
Hey,
chat.
to my person that's asking in the chat, once you put it in the chat, just go ahead and click on it. You can email it to yourself because when this live is over, you're gonna lose it.
Yep, there you go. I just put it in there. Y'all see it? Or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bet. So that way when you click on it, you're gonna see exactly what you're looking at right now. And yeah, you can hold on to it in that way that you know. Thank you for saying that. Whoever said that, I can't see the chat, but okay.
Thank you very much, good brother.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Who's next now? Who's next? I like that. I'm gonna add that.
APLD.
APLD.
Yep.
APLD. Applied Digital Corporation. Okay. All right. They are looking like a snack. Okay, wait, but we going look. This one I'm gonna do it right. Okay. Monthly going to definitely in the uptrend. Okay, weekly definitely in the uptrend. Daily in the uptrend. 4-hour uptrend, 1 hour. Okay. Oh, a lot of consolidation there. Okay. Let's do
We
that.
have a gap? No.
You got a gap? Where you see a gap at?
No.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. I mean, you might see stuff. I do wear glasses, so I might miss stuff.
No gap on this one. It's been flowing like faucet water.
Are you in this one?
For sure.
That's all you posted.
Okay, for sure. APLD is rocking and rolling for sure. That thing running. Now, what I will say, now, with y'all on the fib letters, what do we see right here? What do we see, y'all?
When you say fib, what does it mean? Sorry for the newbie question.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Listen, we're all here learning. So the Fibonacci retracement, right? So our ABCD that we've been going over, but if you knew, we'll be happy to break it down. But if someone answered the question, I'd definitely be happy to break it down. I don't want to give it away just yet, but I will tell you though. No worries. So y'all, what do we see here?
I don't see anything.
There was one club I did it.
Yeah, no, I did the milk for once. I went with Kathy.
Okay.
Did it hit ATH?
One time, and I ain't like it. It was everybody from the hood there. Young bear. I'm like, oh no, I gotta get out of here.
I think somebody need to mute this person.
So you guys, what do
It was like in 9 days. Your days was 98, mine.
JB, you need to mute.
Yeah, that's what I
It was 98, mine was 99.
Hold on, son. Wait a minute, somebody TV was too loud. I don't know who it was, but don't unmute yourself if you got loud TV. You know what I'm saying? But I'm asking the class here because someone is new. I want to explain it to them. But before we get there, I'm asking you guys from the fib A, B, C, D. What do we see?
I see A, I see B,
And you see an A and a B. So what's missing?
C.
Correct. C is missing. You're absolutely 1,000% correct. All right. So that's what you had to wait on. If you wanted to, if you're not already in it. If you in it, you know what I'm saying, do your thing. But for us people who are not in it and you're looking to watch it, uh-oh. Come on, thingy. Boom. So let me pull it up. All right. So here we
Is this
are.
something that you preset like that?
No, it's not preset. It's on the toolbar over here on TradingView. See right here, fib retracement.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And you can put a star next to it, and it's up here on my toolbar.
Right, right,
So
right.
so I always refer people to my boy Swaggy because this where I got this set up from him. And Swaggy C on YouTube is pretty dope. A, B, C. It made it so simple because that way you can understand the market structure. So A is a low or a lower low, and then B is always going to be a high, and then C, well, we don't know where that's going to be at, right? That's going to be the pullback. Because the Fibonacci retracement levels, this is the Fib retracement level. So it's between the two light blue ones, between the 25 and the 786. The pullbacks are always going to be between those levels. And wherever it falls, that's what we was just looking at on the previous stock. Wherever it falls, then you want to get in on a bullish candle higher than the higher low. That's what I was saying right here. You see, this one already got the C. They got the A, the B, and the C. That's why I put this line right here, because you want to enter on a bullish candle higher than this candle, because this is the market structure that you want to enter. In the uptrend, you want to enter on the higher low. Well, a bullish candle higher than a higher low. That makes sense. Let me cut these alerts off because that thing gonna keep annoying the hell out of me. Sure. 1 second. Pause. Oh, yes. Okay. So that's what we waiting for here. And then you have, hold on. Oops. A, B, C, D. So you got D1 is target one. Right? This is the green. The green is your money. So this would be your prediction. So let's say if this came to the $23.61, or it could come to $21.65. It could come anywhere, like I said, between the 25 level and the 78 level. It could come anywhere, right? So once it does, then this would be your target one, $34.11. Break and retest that, 2 touches, then it will come to $40.23. Clown, and boom, and boom, and boom. D2 target set. Do that look good, y'all? That looks straight? Or no?
Yes, someone in your chat want to know how do you determine the green target zones move.
How to do? I told you I don't read it. Tell me one more time.
They want to know how do you determine the green target zones.
Oh, you know what?
It does.
Yeah, the fib does. I don't do that, but I'll double click on it so you get the settings for it, and boom. So you want to copy my fib settings, and make sure these numbers is -0. -0 and -0. -0, -0. Make sure you have that there. Those are my fib settings. And the 2 ones in green, that's the money target. And if you want me more specific, I told you my boy, I'm gonna go to YouTube and pull them up for y'all.
Right.
My boy.
And you have to put those. You have to put those settings.
Yep, he put I got them from him. So yeah, Swaggy C. Fib. You can put it in. Boom. Oh, the part 2. This
That was
video.
a really good video.
Yep. 30-minute masterpiece on trading Fibonacci, the best tool right here. I got it from this video. Now that video was 4 years ago, but hey, it's still perfect. This was his first one when he was, he ain't have all his money together, but that dude killing it now. Swaggy C. So make sure you see Buddy with the wake. He don't even wear the wake no more. But anyway, yeah, that's the fib I got it from him. So he doesn't know who the heck I am, but I watched like probably 50 of his videos like 50 times. That's how I got good at doing stuff, because at first You don't know what the heck he talk about, but the more you watch him, you be like, oh, okay, it started to make sense. So yeah, but the fib is dope. So A, B, C, D, D1 right here, D2. So I'm gonna publish this.
Well, I
Boom.
got a question about this one.
Wait, what's it called? APL. Okay, I got you. B APLD. Daily. I'm spelling wrong. Oops. Boo. Nah, bless me. Okay. Boom. Alrighty. Man.
And how did you end up finding C?
It ain't come yet. That's what I'm saying. You waiting on that to happen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you have to wait and then. So
Yeah.
basically, you're waiting for you said bullish candle to come
To close.
above.
To close above wherever it fall. It could fall between 25 and 786. These are the retracement levels, which mean this is where it's going to pull back to. Now, if it closes under that 786, if it go lower than 1689, clip.
Yeah,
No more uptrend. Bye. See you later. Throwing
Hey,
in
Moo,
you.
Moo,
Yes, sir.
why you I see where you started the fib at that low that you got marked on the on yours, but why you didn't start it at like 2165 at that low?
2165. Oh, right here.
Yeah, like
That's
would that wouldn't be considered a low right there? Well, not. I'm just marking that red candle right there.
right here.
Yeah. Why you didn't start your fib from that low?
Because that's a higher low, right?
Okay, so you want to start it from the lower low.
Well, that's just the low. The lower low probably at the bottom of the downtrend. See down
Okay.
here. Yeah, that's lower low, bottom of the downtrend. Low is just a market structure within the uptrend that comes, and this is a pullback in the uptrend. That's a higher low because it failed to go lower. It pushed back up, and now it makes a high. So once, see, that's why I love this. The indicator, the market structure indicator, the higher high, lower low, because it blatantly tells you, okay, this is a low, this is a high. We wait on the higher low. But visually looking at it, this is a higher low and not a low. Low is at the bottom. This is like it once it started going up, this is now a higher low on the way up to the high. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I see you, and I knew you had that indicator on there for the that marks it up for you, but I was just curious like why it didn't have it on the other one, on that other red candle. Because just looking at it, I probably would have started my fib from there, but just from a glance. But I see that the other one is a deeper low, and that's a higher low. But basically, just trying to judge where to start that fib from if I didn't have that indicator on there.
I see.
Yeah, move. That was my thinking. To go with the bigger move. Does that sound right?
Yeah, that's a big. I mean, that it still could have worked like that. I mean, because that is like trend continuation, but I didn't see a higher low print yet. So it's like, I mean, you could, you know, 32.18. I don't remember what the other one was. Let me see. It could be off by a couple cents. I don't know. Oh, but like $1 and some change. So it's not a bad idea.
Okay.
I just like that one better. Tomato.
Yeah, I hear you. I was just trying to,
See what's good.
see what you're doing and why you're doing it, trying to, test myself.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So I mean, you wouldn't have been wrong. It's just a different. This destination area still would have been the same. It's just you're doing it from the pullback instead of the actual low. So you could not wrong with it. You're not wrong. So just know that you're not wrong. Any questions on this guy? Question?
No, we good.
You good? Oh, right.
Sorry, can you show your settings real quick again?
Oh, sure. Absolutely. Bam. You screenshot it.
The picture. I'm trying to get the picture back.
Mo, you mind if we look at SoFi?
Sure, look at that. We looking.
Say Mo.
Hey.
Did you use the retracement Fibonacci or did you use the trend based Fibonacci extension for targets?
The target. I use the extensions.
I mean, did you use the retracement or did you use the
very first one. Retracement.
Yeah. Well, this is the fifth retracement. See up here, but she asking about the extension. Yes, these are the extension levels. Absolutely.
No, there's another one in there. She wants to know if you use that one.
Yeah,
but
because
it's
I
the
thought
very
you
first
used
one.
that one for I thought you used that one for targets.
It's on the screen. She used that very first one.
I use this one right here.
Okay.
See it? Yeah, it's on the side of the toolbar.
Okay.
You just put a little star on it, and then boom, it'll be your toolbar.
I got it. I just thought you used those. I thought you used it differently. That's all.
No, no worries. No worries. Okay. All right, we good on that? Okay, you said so far, right? Y'all got the link in the chat. I posted it for this one, or no?
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Okay, bet. Okay. Okay, now who wanted me to look at so far? I ain't look at the name.
I did. That's me.
Who's I? I can't see him.
Joe.
Joe!
Yeah. What's
What's
going
up,
on, man? How you?
I'm blessed. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you.
No worries. Okay, Joe, are you in this one?
Yeah, I ended up getting it after we talked last week. I think I got in don't remember the exact date on it, but
Okay. You in it? You in the call?
yeah.
Okay. Boom, boom. Now, okay, so monthly, high, uptrend. Weekly, uptrend. Now see how I got the low and the high? It will want to pull back, right? But hold on. On the monthly though, you see it got a higher low, high, higher low. So that play would have been made on the fib already. So it's overbought on the monthly. It is overbought on the weekly. And on the daily, overbought, pull back. Now we got the lower high. Creepy. Hold on. Was that lower high there last week, Joe?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Where was it last week? I don't even remember. Was we at the high waiting
We
for high?
was, yeah.
Ah, so all this happened. Okay, let me see. Oh, Monday. Okay, so this happened on Monday, the 22nd. But wait, what's that? Today is what?
Thursday.
Right. No, I'm talking about the date. Today's
9.
the 9th. So this the second. Okay, so it was like right up in here. Okay. Boom. All right. In the 1 hour, it's in an uptrend as well. Let's see here. So 1 hour, uptrend, lower high. 4 hour, pullback, lower high. Daily, pullback, lower high. Now, are you up or down on this, Joe?
I'm up.
You up? Okay, cool beans. So this was the 3rd. So last Thursday was here. Okay. Boom. Now, man, this looking like it's about to go down, Joe. Let me put the EMAs on. Let me look with my stock market glasses. Now, it is in a tricky spot right now. So it's above all, well, the biggest EMA, 800 and the 200. You see how it bounced right at the 50, but it is respecting the 50 EMA, which is here. It wicked it. And see this, get the 3 dark crows in there, wick the 50 and push back up. That's exactly what happened with it. Now, what's throwing me off is that lower high. And I think it's going to go down just based off that market structure right there, but you won't know for sure until it breaks the structure, which is here. So if SoFi comes under this 50, well, look at that's crazy. So the structure, the structure is at the 50, right? So because once it closes, well, not once. Let's just give in scenarios, right? So if it closes under the 20, be careful because the next stop after the 20 EMA is always the 50 EMA. Now, see how just like it did here. See, it tapped it, retested here, and then retested it again, and boom, went right to the 50 and bounced back up to create a lower high. Because this is A, B, C for a downtrend. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Word. So if this closes underneath the 20, one more time, recap it. Next stop is the 50. Again, like it did here. Now, if it closes under 24.90, uptrend is clipped. Bye-bye, 1000% sure. Because the thing is, this could just be a pullback and it could just, it could go higher. But if it does go higher, then you got to be like, okay, this is the supply level up here because it was overbought at this higher high. So it could come back up here to retest the supply, but then you wouldn't know if it's going to go higher unless it busts through this. So this would be, yeah, 30-30, the high right here, or 30-29, wherever, yeah, one of these. So you'll know if it's gonna keep going up if it busts through there. If it doesn't, if it comes back up here and reject here, it'll be a double top, and for sure, gonna go back down. So since you already in it, I would just watch it. How long you got it for?
I'm out till May.
Oh,
Oh, you got time on it.
yeah, you got.
Yeah.
Okay, you got time on it. Okay, but see, what I don't want to happen is like what happened on Costco. You just got in it, and then you just tank. You're like,
Can't
oh,
get out.
what? Right, but see,
Actually, Moo, I'm looking at the wrong play. I'm sorry. I was looking at RGTI. I'm out to May in that one. I'm out to January in this one.
oh, okay, you in January.
Yeah.
So let me see how long it took. So this what I be doing. So that name ain't
Hi,
right.
Miss Katie. We missed you in the Patreon.
Hey, KT. Okay, so here. Oh, that was okay, April, right? So from April 7th specifically to here, that is
That's a long run.
yeah. So that's what, 6 months? No, 5 months. Well, actually 6 technical because we're in October, but it took 5 months in about 5 months and 2 weeks to get from the bottom to the top, right? So it gotta cool off. And the fact that it's a red higher high right there, that means is definitely overbought for sure. So which means that's when they gotta cool off. So this is the cool off right here. They pull back, boom, and now make a lower high. So recap, scenario 1, it could pull back here to retest this supply. If it rejects this supply, that would be now a double top. That would be a M. It look like bop, 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 and then it would proceed to go down. Now, if it comes up here and it busts through it, then yes, all for the push-ups. But looking at the market structure, especially with this lower high, failure to go higher, this is what I see. Just looking at the structure that it's in right now. Because this is, see how it's in between the 25 and the 786. And those are the retracement levels. So, and again, sometimes the lower high does turn into a high or a high if it keeps going. But if it closes, this would be clue number 1 if it's going to go down. Well, under the 20, obviously, but that's so crazy. The market structures are at the EMAs. That's so dope. So the lower high is at the 20, the higher low is at the 50. So if it closes under 26.69, that's your clue to be like, okay, it's trying to go down, right? And if it goes down, that's space number 1. Space number 2, if it breaks the higher low, the uptrend is clipped 1000%. Forget it. Because it could just be pulling back or pull back up here, pass it, boom. Or it could just be here, and then it could just like come here and it could respect it again. It could make a second higher low and then push back up. Like, it's kind of hard to say. It's in a tricky spot. But just from the market structure purpose, Yeah, it looks like that, but you won't know 1,000% sure until it closes underneath 2669 space 1, and if it closes under 2490, lights out. Get out.
Okay.
I mean, that's what I would do. No financial advisor.
I appreciate it, Mo.
Really? No.
I'm just saying. So yeah, that's
Quick disclaimer.
yeah, hello, disclaimer. Yes, sir. You know, you
Lie
gotta
she a tell. Lie she a tell, man.
say like she said, no, I did not. It's like it's just suggestions. All suggestions is all being recorded. So I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna give the scenario of the structure. So now I'm gonna put the lines back so you can see on the published version the lines, so I can see without the fib. So I was just showing y'all that. So I'm gonna write it. Okay. If break structure going to the higher level. Boom. Cloud. If it breaks this structure, I'm gonna write it later. By uptrend. Boom. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Because that is pure D facts. And I'm gonna write up here. Everybody come in, hold on. It breaks high of day, which is 30. Oh man. Thought it was okay. Oh my god. Come on. Okay. If it breaks high of day, which is 30, going higher. Boom. And then the last one, all right, on this line, if it pulls back to supply and reject equals double top going back down. Bam. And I'm gonna publish this. Those are my predictions. So far, prediction.
Perfect. Thank you, Mo.
No doubt. Bam, 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 bam. And I could be wrong, you know? It's just what I think and see.
What's your prediction for the game tonight?
Come on now.
Oh, Giant.
Is that a dumb question? I mean, baby boy. Word. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think we got time for like one more, y'all. And then the giveaways and hop off. I gotta get my popcorn ready. I gotta get my DoorDash.
GL.
Unc ain't making no wings tonight.
Man, he ain't coming over, man.
RGTI.
Meta.
Okay,
Did you
Yeah,
do
do
gold?
meta.
I'll try to look at both of them.
Meta.
Okay, I'm gonna look at RGTI meta. They're gonna be the last two. RGTI is next. Remind me. Boom. Okay. Whoever said meta, are you in meta? Whoa.
No, I'm not in it, but
Not
I'm looking
yet.
at it. I want to get in at 700. I'm thinking if I could still
700.
get in there
Oh, I thought the
for a
whole paper
January
jumped
800
in meta.
call.
Wait, you in the call? You say you got in at 700? Is that what you said? I'm trying to see.
No, I was looking to get in at 700,
Oh,
but I'm seeing if I could still get in there.
if you on a call?
Yes, 800 call.
800 call? Okay.
A swing. Probably March, January.
Okay. Hold on. Somebody, I'm just muting because somebody's TV was loud again, so you could come on. All right. Boom. So, interesting. So is anybody in this? Anybody? Anybody
I
in this?
got in 2 days ago.
2 days ago? Okay. Let me see. 2 days ago. So what's your rationale 2 days ago? Like what made you get in?
Shit, it hit I think below 600, a little below 700, something like that.
It's below, oh, this low right here?
Yeah.
It hit 690.
Yeah,
Okay.
right here. Yeah. Oh, come on, sis. Sis on it. She said it hit 690. So it did.
I know
Boom.
because I missed it and I was upset.
Me too. I was
Okay.
upset I missed that.
You was upset. So check it out. It went up today for sure. All right. So let's
It
look
went up
at,
today.
yep, it did. Let's look at the monthly. Okay, monthly uptrend. Boom. High, higher, low. So monthly, A, B, and C could be D up there. Okay. Weekly. A, B, C, throw off, throw off. Okay. Daily, we just looked at. We're gonna come right back to that. Why did I have that pink line there? Oh, that was 700. Somebody told me. I don't know why I put that there. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 4 hour. It ran. Boom. Okay. When did that happen? That was on September 19th. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. And then on the 1 hour, there's a lot of supplies up there. Good Lord. Okay. Might have been running. Running. Oh, wow. Okay. So clearly it's in the uptrend on the hourly as well. But you see, it's at a lot of places where price bounce from off the demand. Demand bounces. Okay. So it's overbought on the 1 hour. Not overboard on the 4 hour. 4 hour, A and B all day. A and B all day. Now, the daily is saying something different now. That lower high is throwing me off. Sure. But this gap, let's see here. Hold on. Hey, my cat is acting stupid. Sorry. Let me see it. Oh yeah, it definitely filled that gap. I was just trying to see if it filled the gap. All gaps must be filled. So it did fill the gap. Okay, I was just wondering about that. My eyes were anyway. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Did I really do that? Oh, okay, there we go. Hold on, because I erased the wrong thing. All right. Okay. So it's between obviously supply and demand right now, right? Obviously. So what I see here is that it's in a tricky spot, to actually try to say because it did pull back here, and I think someone said they got in 2 days ago. Okay, so this is A, B, and C going down, right? But this could continue to go up. Let me put the EMAs on. That'll help me better assess. Better assess. Oh, can't do that. Okay. Oh, that is not good. Okay. So first of all, the 800 EMA is down here. This is the reversal, which is lays right on the demand at, good Lord, 489. That's far away. Far away, far away. So the 200 EMA is here. Now, the 20 and the 50, this is the bearish motion. Once the 50, I'm sorry, once the 20 comes underneath the 50 and start pointing down like that, that means it wants to go lower. However, to conflict with that, the monthly and the weekly is bullish, and so is the 4 hours. So what's throwing me off is this lower high right there. Let me look at this again. And then, okay, because high, higher, low, lower high, and a low. So it's at a low on the weekly, and on the monthly, it's just pulling back. So that could be why. It's pulling back on the monthly, and then on the hourly, it was over, but yep. Okay, so they all saying the same thing, just in different ways, which is pullback vibe. So hold on. When I see this 20 under the 50, that means it could start going back down here. So what could happen, since it bounced off this demand and it hasn't came back to retested it, see you got a higher low and a low, pushed up, made a supply, failed to go lower, failed to go higher, pushed down, didn't touch this demand yet. So it had 3 attempts, 1, 2, and 3 attempts, and it did not go back and retest this demand, which it very well could do because it closed underneath the 20 and closed underneath the 50. And remember, anytime the stock closes underneath the 50, the uptrend is clipped. Now, it could be trying to go back up there if this, well, not if this, because that already happened. If the candles push back against, on top of the 50 and the 20, then yes, uptrend could be back in motion. However, if it rejects, what is it, 737.21, which is where the 50 EMA lays at. If it rejects, like tomorrow, if a candle print and it close above the 50 and the 20, all for the uptrend. Because a lot of times the lower high could turn into a high or a high high. It's just a lower high because it's right there and it's higher than its low. So it could just keep going back up. It could, right? Or it could go back down because it hasn't came back down to retest this demand, which is where it bounced off of back in June. So it made 3 attempts. 1, 2, well, really 4, 3, 4 attempts, and it all failed to go lower, right? And this one is failing to go higher, which means it could push back down to retest this demand. Now, I think if it does come back and retest this demand, then it could do one or two things. It could bounce off there to go back up there, right? Or if it goes through, if it comes back down and passes this demand, and then past this 200, which is at 674, and I'm just giving you scenarios of what I see, right? I ain't, I'm just telling you what I see here. So if it does come back here and bounce off demand, it could go up. Now, if it passes this demand and passes 200, that's so dope how the EMAs are at the structure points. I just find that so amazing. Okay, then it very well could be on its way back down. And I don't see, well, let me see the structure point. Oh, well, 479. That's a long way down, my goodness. But you see these here, the 20 had crossed the 50 up here. And look how the candles just respected the 20 EMA. And once it started coming back and pull back, it respected the 50 and pushed back up, right? And it pushed back up, made a supply, failed to go lower, pushed back up, now made a double top. See the double top? Hold on, let me erase this. Double top, double top. Hold on. So like bam, 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 bam. Double top. Y'all see that? Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Yes.
I'm like, is y'all
Yes.
So that's how I'm
Yeah, I see it. I see it. My bad.
Okay, yeah, that's what I see. So when it's a double top, that ain't good for the Bulls. You know what I'm saying? They're looking very bearish right there, just based off of that. But it's conflicting because 1 is above the 200 and 2 is still above the 800. The 800 is always at down here at the low. It's just at 479.80. See how the 800 just land on that demand right there? And that just so happened, like how coincidental is that? That's where the lower low was, where the uptrend started, where the price bounced from. And it definitely has to come back to retest that. So this is why this M could come all the way back there. I'm not saying that it will. I have seen it though. Boom. And this, yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Y'all get the point. Yeah. So the M, because price always returns where it came from. Now, if you zone out, right, you see This all-time high for Meta, right? I don't see no higher than that. So it just so happened it could come way back down here to 4, whatever it is. I can't tell. Wherever it's at. So is this making sense to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
It's more than one person on here. I'm just saying.
Yeah. They
Makes
also
sense.
have
How you know what it
earnings
did?
coming
makes
up
sense. It
on
makes sense.
October 29th too.
You got
I'm not.
Yes, it makes sense.
Okay, October 29th is when? That's the earnings?
Yes.
Oh, word. That's pretty soon. That's pretty soon.
Mhm.
Okay, so recap, y'all. Recap, because we gotta get to the next one and then get to the giveaways because that's it. All right, so recap on Meta, right? Not to blow you, because if you're in the car, you might want to watch that thing, right? Watch that thing. So one or two things. So recap for the uptrend, right? It has to break above 737.41, which is above this 50 EMA and the 20 EMA because they right here. Again, once the 20 cross down on the 50, that is definitely bearish sentiment all day. Lower high, bearish sentiment all day. Rejecting supply, bearish sentiment all day. Double top, bearish sentiment all day. Haven't retested demand, bearish sentiment all day. Now, that is the bearish vibes. The bullish vibes, again, if it cross against 737.21, and if it does come here and retest it, it could very well go back up. Because I said, it made 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to come back down here and it failed. So right here, where the price belts from at this higher low, which was failure to go lower, it has to come back down here at some point because lower high means failure to go higher. It's going to come back down. But if it come back down, what is it going to do? It's either going to bounce or it's going to break through. One of the two. We don't know, right? So, and if it does break through, then yeah, lights out. I would be anxious to hop in the put with Meta because if it breaks 674.74, then yeah, it's probably going to start heading down to
At 400.
here. I'm just saying. That's what I see. But if they got them earnings coming up, you got the Meta glasses, I don't know. Well, Zuckerberg could turn the ship around, but right now, yeah, looking real bearish. I'm just saying.
The
So,
lost Meta platforms.
questions on that? Anybody?
Says New York has filed a lawsuit against Meta Platforms, alleging the company developed addictive algorithms affecting teens. This follows a similar case in California. Federal focus.
Wow.
They
Okay.
think of anything, boy.
Right. Yeah, man.
So TikTok didn't mess with algorithms. YouTube didn't mess with algorithms. You want to come on?
TikTok is in that suit as well.
Oh, they are?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for educating. People just got too much time on their hands.
They do. They do. Okay. So any other questions on Meta? We gotta get to the last one. We gotta wrap it up.
Can I give you your props, Mute? Because I was on the call with you on Tuesday, and after we got off that call, that put had went 4 times, 400% by the end of the day.
Period. That's Wanda. Wanda, that's you?
No, this is Jay.
Oh, Jay. What's up, Jay? So you got 400% on Tuesday?
So I put it on my watch list. Yeah, I told you I was scared on the put. Yeah, I had put it on my watch list. And I was just watching it throughout the day, and it had went up over 400%. And I also want to give a update too. I was on here the last time I was on your Thursday call. I was telling y'all about an Eli Lilly call that I was in for 750, and some people was clowning me about it. I just want to let you know that it has reclaimed the $140 zone, and it's now up 300%. So
come on, 300%. Okay.
Profit, take profit.
Yeah, okay. So, and then just to ask you, Jay, when the take profit levels that I called out, they obviously hit them, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
When we were on the call, it had did 100% in the hour that we were on the call. And so, yeah, so a lot of people had took profits. But again, by like mid-afternoon, it was up 400%. I was
Come
looking at
on.
it on my watch list. So
Listen,
I just want to
we
say,
paying mortgages over here,
when you
okay?
know, you know.
Thank you, sis. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? It's all about prediction, spending time on the chart. That's why I do this. So make sure y'all tune in Tuesday. Wait, this coming Tuesday.
Thursday.
No. I'm saying Tuesday for the live trading.
Oh,
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
Tuesday morning call. Tuesday
Yeah,
morning.
but this week I probably had to do it on Monday because I got a hair appointment at 9 o'clock Tuesday because I'm going out of town Wednesday. So I might switch it to Monday next week. But yeah, if I do, y'all see the link in the Patreon. I probably will do that because I'm gonna be at the hairdresser on Tuesday. I ain't gonna be able to do it. But then the following
Is the
week I'll be
market
back.
open Monday?
Oh shoot! It's it's the holiday, huh?
Yeah, Columbus Day, right?
Columbus Day.
Oh wow!
It's a
I
new
don't even
name.
know. I gotta look on the U.S. Econo Day. It'll tell
I,
damn.
I'll Google
Yeah,
it real quick.
well, it probably won't be on this week, next week,
All
then
right.
right, the following week. But just stay tuned in. Long story short, thank you, Jay, for that shout out. I appreciate you for being on the call and putting it on your watch list and checking it out.
Yes, it says the markets will be open on Monday for Columbus Day. On Columbus
Okay. Half a day or whole day? What it say?
Day.
Sometimes we closing at 1 o'clock and it'd be like, all right, y'all can trade for about 3-4 hours and that's it. You'd be like, what? Okay.
Oh,
And
well,
then
maybe it's not. It says U.S. bond markets will
what's that
close
other
on
side?
Monday, October 13th. No, it's going to be closed.
It's gonna be
It's going to
closed?
be closed. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well,
So
no, it says the bond markets will be closed, but the stock market is going to be open. Okay.
all day. Okay, we're gonna investigate and see what's going on. What was the other stock I said? I told the person to remind me. What was it?
GTI.
GTI or something like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
RG.
GTI.
Okay. Last one of the night. Last one of the night. All right. Are you in this one, sir?
Nope, just watching it.
Just watching it. Okay. Let's see what it's talking about. Okay. Start. Monthly. Okay. Oh yeah, we looked at this last week, right? I think. Because I remember
Nah,
this.
this wasn't the
No?
one.
Oh, it wasn't. I can't keep up. Okay.
Yeah, this was 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? Okay.
We did this, yeah.
Ain't nobody hopping yet? What y'all scared? No, I'm just playing. Y'all wait for the setup. Okay, overboard, uptrend, boom. Overboard, uptrend. Not overboard, uptrend. Uptrend. Okay, and all of them, they are above the EMAs. Okay, so here, dang. Okay, yeah, that move. Let me see, when was that? September 29th. Yeah, a good time to get in that one was here, October 2nd, which was last week. Last Thursday. That was the time to get in there because it made the move. Now, for trending, I'm gonna show y'all two things. And okay, so it made the move already from this higher low down here. Let me cut this DIY off. I don't want too much on here. And yes, FX. Okay. So I'm using this as A for trend continuation, right? Trend continuation. Okay. Hey! Sorry, my cat be acting up. You see how the move been made? It already hit the take profit, right? So if it's going to continue up, right? That was the first thing I wanted to show you. That move have been made. Now, this is the perfect scenario of what for the new people, so your eyes can know what we're looking for on the Fibonacci retracement. So here, higher low, right? Always like to draw a line right at the wick of the higher low, right? Why? Because you want a bullish candle to close above it. Because if you get a bearish candle like that first stock we was looking for, it can still continue to trickle down. With this one, the move has already been made, so you can clearly see this is a sniper entry. Stop loss would have been under the higher low, tight stop loss, and then take profit. Always say 2 touches, broke out, retested it, and flew right to the next target. Boom. Now, is it going to continue to go up? This is what you want your fib to look like. This is a perfect fib setup right here. If you ain't know what the fib setup look like, this is what you wait. Every fib setup should look like this or something similar. You see how it pulled back. Remember I said the pullback levels is between the two blue, light blue, 25 and 786. It pulled right back here to the 25 level, gave you that bullish candle above the higher low, broke, retest, went right to the next target, right? So for trend continuation, you can move the fib to the next higher low. If it's going to continue to go up, right? So now, what would you be waiting on?
Higher low.
Higher low.
Correct. I love y'all. Y'all paying attention. I love it. I love it. Right. So if it pulls back and make a high, well, not if, when it pulls back to make a higher low, then it could continue to go up as long as you don't see a lower high. Because that could be the monkey wrench. Like for me on Meta, like it was cool until you seen the lower high. Like the lower high is just like that monkey wrench in the game. But sometimes the lower high turns into a high, so it's kind of tricky. So that's why you just got to keep eye on it. But when this pulls back, between this 25 and this 786, somewhere, as long as it don't close underneath 3261, the uptrend is still good. It can still pull back all the way there. Long as it could wick it, but not close underneath it. If it does, delete the fib. If it doesn't, it just pull back higher low. You just same thing. Wait for that bullish candle, close above the higher low, stop loss at the higher low, and these are your new targets: 52.98 and then 60.22. So I'll put that up in the chart, and then that's it. Target. So you waiting on the higher low, long story short. Everybody just said it. Y'all learning. I love it. I love it. You guys are so awesome. What's the name of that stock again? Oh, RGTI. So Ying
we're
catch
only
the
good
first
because
wave.
you're teaching us well. We appreciate you.
Oh yeah, no doubt. No doubt. We here.
Yes, we do.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I second
boy.
that.
Yeah. Okay, boom.
Very well said.
Thank you. Oh, and by the way, y'all, I won't be on next Thursday because I'm going out of town. So don't be sad. We're gonna be back the following week. Put it on your calendar.
After she just said those kind words to you, you gonna leave us?
I'm gonna follow you to New York. I know how to get to Brooklyn.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be in Brooklyn. Any trappers in Brooklyn? Nobody? Oh, okay. I'm gonna be in
I'm
Brooklyn.
in Brooklyn.
You in Brooklyn? Word.
Yeah.
Hit a sister up. Guys, let's go get some drinks.
Miss J.
Definitely in Brooklyn.
You in Brooklyn? All right, y'all. We gonna have a trapper meeting. Don't be playing now. Brooklyn.
Not
We never
at
took our poll,
it. I'll be there.
Word. I'm dead ass.
We never took our poll for Friendsgiving.
Oh, thank you.
I deserve a prize.
Yes.
I'm only kidding.
Anyway.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let's you know what? Let's get that poll. Okay. So look, how many people on here? Let's do that right quick before we get to the giveaway. So okay, it's 42 people, right? So y'all been rocking with me. So I suggested last week for anybody who wasn't on the chat last week, I suggested that maybe we try to plan like maybe like a Friendsgiving, because everybody is all over the place. And y'all seen Trap just posted something for November the 1st. So maybe it could be around that time if people come into town anyway, or it could be whenever. But before we even get to dates, let's see how many people would be interested in doing like a Trappers Friendsgiving in the ATL. So if you're interested and like you would actually come, like put a 1 in the chat if you would actually think about coming to the ATL sometime in November. So we'll give everybody
I put a
time.
100.
Okay. Put a 1 in the chat if you're actually interested and you actually would come, and we'll do a Friendsgiving. And we probably well, if we have a designated chef, or we could get a caterer, whatever. We can talk about details, but we got to talk about 1, 2 levels first.
I thought y'all was supplying the food so I could cook it. Y'all could tip me.
Okay, listen.
Wait, but y'all gotta tip me so I can put it in the market now.
No, you bring a little tip jar, and listen. That's an excellent idea. Yeah, we'll all throw in on the food. Levine gonna be the chef. I'll be the
Hey,
sushi.
I can't keep driving 26 hours now.
We should do it the Sunday after trap thing because we all gonna be there anyway.
That's what I'm saying. They'll probably do it the same weekend. That makes sense. Yeah. They're gonna have people travel twice. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm saying, like, if November 1st is on what day? Hold on. Let me look.
Saturday, I think.
Oh, it's a Saturday? Okay, word. So maybe the Friday before, or the Saturday or the Sunday. We'll vote and see.
Hey, yeah, if you do it either that Friday or Sunday, I'll definitely make it because I'm gonna leave Phoenix on Thursday and I'll get there Friday.
Okay. It's about to happen. I feel it. Okay, let's see. How many ones we got in the chat? Let's see. Okay. All right. Hold on. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got 5 ones. Okay, boom. Okay. I'm 6, so that means if y'all could come, that's enough people. What y'all think? I mean, then, we can invite others as well, but, because we'll tell people about it anyway. So
works for me.
Y'all cool with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
For sure.
All right. So since y'all all coming to town, we'll just make it that weekend. So would it be a situation to where people can get here on that Friday? Or would Sunday be better? Which
Sunday be better for me. I already bought my ticket.
Cool. You said what now?
I was saying I already bought my flight for Friday, so Sunday would be better for me personally, but that's just throwing it out there.
Okay, word. All right. Put it. Sorry, my cat is bugging, yo. Okay, so what about everybody else? Oh, Lily, don't be like that. 1, 2.
Either day work for me. So
5, 6. Okay, we got 7. Okay, boom. Okay, so she said Sunday, and whoever else put a 1 in the chat, what day work for you? We like voting, like, you know what I'm saying? We're about to do it. Do it. Do it.
I'm good Sunday.
Sunday? Okay, so we'll just make it Sunday. So that means everybody gonna have to stay.
Let's do Friday.
Huh? You said what now?
I said let's do Friday and then drop my phone.
Oh, he dropped your phone. Okay. Friday, Sunday. Sunday, Friday. I don't know if he's doing a meet and greet or what. He ain't really saying nothing. Well, I wasn't paying attention.
The time was like 10, it was like 10 to something, 10 to 6 or something like that. I think it was an all day Saturday.
Yeah, it's an all-day family reunion, straight like that.
Yeah. No, that's what I'm saying. So like, that's Saturday. I'm not trying to touch that. That's already in stone. I'm talking about either Friday or Sunday for our Friendsgiving shindig. Do people still say shindig?
I'm thinking maybe Friday too. I don't know.
Friday?
I'm thinking Friday.
Okay, Angie. Now, what time you get in Friday, Angie?
It's cool. I always buy the tickets that I can modify. So if it worked better for Friday, I'll just come in Friday morning.
Well, I mean, because it would be in the like afternoon, evening type, John.
Yeah, so I'll make it do whatever works for the crew.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, so we can get busy on Monday.
Okay, right in the chart, huh?
Yeah, that might work better. We can have a little more fun Friday night.
Period. I love it. Okay, so what's that date? That's the 30th?
That's Halloween.
Oh, damn.
Oh, shut your mouth. Word. We can make it a whole, a whole little jump. Oh, all right.
Trap thing supposed to be over at 5. Y'all should just do it on Saturday after he release y'all.
Then we're going to have too many people there. By that time, the word done got out. No,
Not a
they're
bad
like, oh,
idea.
Levine
Yeah, that's
cooking?
a lot of people to cook for, Octavian.
Y'all ain't got to invite them. It's just gonna be y'all. Only y'all know what's going on.
You say
everybody still gonna be house trapped event.
Flush Stavian.
No, that wouldn't.
I ain't got all
Yeah,
that.
especially for the y'all.
That wasn't a
Sitting
bad
on the call
idea.
talking about y'all gonna be good, so you ain't
I,
rocking
I,
with them.
I ain't got off yet, but that would be my suggestion if I was definitely in the building.
Okay, you ain't
That's
coming,
not a bad
Davion?
idea.
I'm working on it.
Okay, you working on it. Okay. Oh, because KT supposed to pick you up, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
know.
what he said.
See, I was looking at the chat.
Hey,
That's what's
well,
up.
yeah,
KC gonna come through. Okay, so we'll plan for Friday, Halloween, and yes. So we gotta get in some type of group chat. That's the thing that we gotta do so we can start planning. So cause like since everybody already gonna be in town, it's just really we just gotta throw in for the groceries and the drinks. So we just like how many people? What is it? So it's like 8 people so far, and then so Levine, how much do you think will be needed to feed 8 people?
That depends on what they want to eat. Should we vote on the menu?
Okay, why are you echoing? Huh?
I was outside on my phone. Now I'm back upstairs.
Okay, right. The game. Okay, right. Yeah, Angie dropping off. Okay, yeah, the game about to come on. All right, so okay, so you're not on the Telegram now. Is everybody on Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay. Is everybody on Instagram? Facebook? Something? No? Yes?
yeah, I'm
Yeah,
good on
I got
IG.
both.
Okay, Instagram. Everybody put your hit me up on Instagram. That's what y'all do. And I put everybody in the group chat. So my Instagram, y'all write down my Instagram. As a matter of fact, I'll put it in the chat. It's ATL time to shine. ATL time to shine. Send me a DM on Instagram and I'll put everybody in the group chat on Instagram. I think that'll be the best for that. Put it. Let me do that. So let's get to the giveaways. Cause the game about to come on.
I think the game on. I'm trying to get it
It's
on now.
that, so that's why I'm trying to speed this up. It's all good. It's all good. We go. So everybody know the drill. I'm in between 1 through 20. Let me pick my numbers. 1 through 20. Everybody make sure y'all hit me on the IG. ATL time to shine. Okay, I'm gonna pick my little numbers right here. Blah. Boom. All right. Let's get it. So we gonna do a speed round. All right. Thank y'all for hanging out. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do a have a Friendsgiving. Whoop whoop. That's gonna be lit. It's gonna be a well dope weekend. Okay, so we got 4 gifts. So first we're gonna do the super charts. Okay. We are going to do the super charts. I'm looking for my number. Uh uh but okay. We got the numbers. Omar G. Omar, are you here?
Yes. Yeah, I'm
Hey
here.
Omar. Okay, what's
Hey,
up, Omar? How you doing? Congrats
I'm
on
doing
that.
good. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Hit me on the Telegram right there. Boom. Or if you don't got Telegram, you can hit me on IG. Either one. They all come to my phone. Just get you got the super chart. I'm writing it down. Omar super chart. That joint is super fire. I'll tell you how to use it in the uh with the instructions and stuff like that. Okay, so congrats to Omar. We're gonna keep it moving. Keep it moving. All right. Oh, he had number 9, y'all. Just FYI. Okay. And let's see.
I just send you a message and say it's me. That's it.
Yeah, just say hey, it's me, Omar, and I'll send you your gift. No worries. I got on the
All right,
Eagles
bet.
jersey. You see me? That's why I'm trying to get off the phone. Okay, next, we're gonna do the lifetime of emails. Definitely for you and your grandkids and their grandkids, because that thing gonna keep you busy, honey. It's a whole library, I promise you. Mr. Tony Jones. Tony Jones. Tony Jones. Is he here? Or he went bye-bye?
Tony Jones going twice.
Tanya or Tony?
Oh, sorry, my eyes. Yes, Tanya. I'm so sorry. Hey, Tanya, girl.
like, wait, hold up. I said, I better say
She
something.
didn't even start crying yet. The Eagles not losing yet.
Right. You see, that's how much in a rush I am. Sorry, Miss Tanya. I do apologize, sweetie. Send me your email in the Telegram and I will forward you over your lifetime library of reads. You're gonna love
Okay.
it.
Thank you,
Miss,
thank you, thank you.
no doubt. Thank you for tuning
Thank
in. You know, love to get back.
All right.
Boo boo. Okay. That's her,
Eagles on
Miss
the board.
Jones. Okay. And then Jae. Oh, her number was Jae. That's you?
It's me. It's me.
Okay, Miss J. We're gonna give you the software, Miss J. Software, Miss J. You got the telegram, right, Miss J? Huh?
I think I do. I'm looking for the app right now.
Okay, boom. I just put my little joint and I put it in there again. Can't miss it. Eagles jersey. That's my name. Just type it in the search. I'll pop right up. Boom. You'll see me. She gets the software. Miss Tanya Jones got the emails. And then the next one, last but not least, is the hour with me. That's priceless. You get a whole good hour with me. Isn't that cool, guys?
That
Cool.
is amazing.
And it is worth every minute of your time.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you what it means. No, I'm just playing. Okay. So we got one more winner. And hold on. I like that picture, Miss J. And this is,
Thank you.
I got the shot the flyer. Anybody want to do a one-on-one with me? I got you right here. You want to turn your eyeballs around so you can see what I see? Change your life, your mind, your bank account. Wealthy Westcott University one-on-one session. It's amazing. And you can screenshot this real phone number, change your life, your mind, your bank account. Period. And that's just what it is. So I was gonna do that. And then, guys, the last but not least winner. Let's see here. Let's see here. Okay. I got one more number left on my thing. Okay. I think it's old Dizzle. Is old Dizzle still here? Old Dizzle. For shizzle whizzle.
Wait a minute. Got killed by the mute button. It caught me.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Old Dizzle, how are you?
I'm doing great.
All
How's
right,
everybody?
you get an hour with me, Mr. Old Dizzle.
Woohoo!
I know, right? Pretty dope, pretty dope. So hit me on the Telegram. We'll coordinate schedules and then we'll do all of that. And we'll be good to go. So we got Mr. Omar with the super charts. We got Miss Tanya Jones with the emails. We got Miss J with the software and Mr. O Dizzle with the 1 hour with me. Now, reminder, hit me, everybody coming to Atlanta. Hit me on Telegram, ATL Time to Shine. I'm gonna put it in the chat one more time. ATL Time to Shine. That's my Instagram. And congrats to everybody. And we're gonna do this. Friendsgiving.
I sent you a request, okay, Miss Moon?
Okay, for sure. Yeah, send me a request. And
Heard the
yeah,
volunteer.
and I'm gonna put everybody who hit me up on the on group chat so we can start planning. You know, we only got a couple weeks out, so we want to make sure everything because we gonna have to get Airbnbs and things. So got to get budgets ready. Which hey, it should be a lot, but yeah, I'll start looking at some stuff and so that we can plan. And reminder, next Thursday I will be out of town, so no class next Thursday. It will resume the following Thursday. Live trading. If the market is open Monday, I'll post a link in the chat for Monday.
It's open. It's open all day.
It's open all day. Okay.
Normal trading hours. Yes.
Okay, you done already verified. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. All right, well, bet. So Monday, yeah, 9:15 in the Patreon, and then the following week it'll go back to Tuesday. I like the action on Tuesday. Monday, I don't know. We hope, but Tuesdays is like that's when the market done cooled off from Sunday and Monday. So, but we'll see. We'll make it do what it do. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Love
Appreciate
y'all.
you, Moo.
Have a
No
good
doubt.
All
night.
right, have a good
Thank
one.
you. Thank you. I'll
Y'all
hit you up
too.
on Instagram. Send the message on Instagram.
Okay, I'm gonna got you. I'm gonna put everybody in the group, man. Go back.